Hi everyone, Nathan here from JS Powersports, and we've got a ski in today with a suspected bendix that's out, and I just wanted to play this sound so that other people could hear it as well. And this is going to be me hitting the start button, and that is a bendix that's just in there spinning. And if you have a bad bendix and you purchase one from us, we also have a video we can send you on the removal of all of this stuff to get out of the way so that you can get in there. You will need a puller, which we also sell on the website, and it'll give you some other helpful hints and tips on good care inside that stator case there. So hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll bring you some more.